Crazy Kidz Squad. Today's video we're going to do 5 science experiments with balloons. The first one is we have a water bottle and we have a straw. We drill a hole. We put the straw in the hole and we hot glue it so it doesn't come out. See, it won't come out. And we put colored water in it.
Okay, so now what are we going to do?
And the balloon, and we're going to put the balloon on top so the water pressure, and it pushes the water out of the straw.
And into the bowl,
And
right?
into the bowl.
So we're going to make a water fountain.
We're going to make
with
a water
balloon.
fountain with the balloon.
Okay, so Kaden, remember you're going to want to blow up the balloon, but twist it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
So you want to blow up the balloon and then you want to twist it.
So the air doesn't come out. And then you put this on the top.
And then watch it.
And
Watch it happen.
untwist it.
Woo-hoo!
Look at that! How
Actually,
cool is that?
actually really cool.
That's so cool.
That's awesome.
That was a good one, Kaden. I liked that one. All right, let's get ready for our next one.
For our next science experiment, we need a candlestick and a candle, and you need to light it on fire.
Make sure you have adult supervision for this one.
Yeah, and you need a water balloon and air balloon, and we're gonna see if they pop.
What do you think, Kaden?
I think they're not gonna pop.
You don't think either of them are going to pop?
No.
You sure?
I think.
Let's find out.
I think the water one might pop.
You think oh boy, if the water one pops, we're going to get all wet. Woo! Woo! That one popped.
That one popped.
Was that scary? Yeah. Now we have to light our candle back up. Okay, we're back. Now we relit our candle. So, Kaden, remember the one that was filled with the air popped. Do you think this one with the water is going to pop?
No.
You don't think so? Alrighty. Let's see. Nope.
You can even put it on it.
It's not popping. Oh, Kaden, look at what it's doing to it. It's turning it black
Wow.
where the water is. That's cool. Do you know why it's doing this, Kaden?
Because it's hot and it won't pop it, so it's leaving black stains.
If the water inside is keeping the balloon cool enough so it's not going to pop. Look at that. You can put it right on it and it's not popping. Look at all that black. How cool is that, buddy?
It's cool.
Alrighty. Did you like that one?
Yeah.
Which one did you like more? The waterfall, the water fountain one, or the one with the water balloon?
The one with the water balloon.
Yeah, I think that one's my favorite too so far. Alright, let's get set up for our third one.
So this is the third science experiment. We need two balloons. We need a whole bunch of thumbtacks, and yeah.
Okay, so what are we going to do with this one, Kaden?
So we need one thumbtack, and do you think it's gonna pop or not pop?
So we're going to put the balloon on top of the thumbtack?
Yeah.
I think it's going to pop.
I think it's gonna pop.
Do you think it's going to pop?
Yeah.
And what are we going to do after we do the one thumbtack?
And then we're gonna take another balloon and we're gonna put it on a bunch of thumbtacks.
What do you think is going to happen to that balloon?
It's not gonna pop.
You don't think so?
No.
Okay. Okay, so here's the balloon with one thumbtack.
Oh my god.
That was loud! You were right, Kaden, it popped! Alright.
Then the one with a bunch of thumbtacks. Not popping.
It's not popping. Why isn't it popping, Kaden? Do you know?
Because there's so many thumbtacks.
So with just the one thumbtack, it's putting a pressure point on the balloon.
With
But
a
with
bun.
all these thumbtacks, the pressure is distributed amongst the face of the balloon.
A big area of it.
A big area, so it's not going to pop.
See?
That is
Even
so...
I can put almost all my pressure on it, it won't pop.
Yep, that is so cool. Okay, now do you like this one better than the one with the fire and the water balloon, or do you still like the fire and the water balloon better?
Still water and fire one better.
Yeah, I think I agree with you. Okay, ready to get set up for number 4?
Yes.
All right, get ready for number 4.
The fourth science experiment. For this science experiment, we need a little funnel. We need a balloon. We need
It's a 2-liter.
It's a 2-liter water bottle.
Yeah.
And you need white vinegar, and you can add color if you want. We have baking soda. We need, and that's it.
What are we gonna do?
And so we're gonna put the funnel in the balloon, and then we're gonna take some baking soda. We're gonna put it in. We're gonna take the funnel. We're gonna put it in here. We're gonna shake it a little bit.
How much we got in there? Get it all down at the bottom. Let's get some more. Can you hold on to it, Kaden?
Yep. I feel it.
Can you feel it in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Feel it.
Oh yeah, it's all in there.
There's a ton of that.
Alrighty, so let's flip this aside. Move this out of the way. Alright, so Kaden, what do you think's gonna happen when we put this balloon on top of this bottle?
So when you put it on top of the bottom, I think it's gonna blow the balloon up.
You think it's gonna blow the balloon up?
Yeah.
Okay, ready to find out?
Yep.
So we put the balloon
Balloon on the water bottle,
over the water bottle.
and then
Get it on there nice and good. And then what are you gonna do, Kaden?
tip it
Tip it
up.
up.
Make sure all of it goes in there.
Look at what's happening to the balloon.
It's blowing it
It's
up.
blowing it up. The gases, the reaction that the baking soda and the vinegar is having, is creating a gas to blow up the balloon. That is so cool.
Make sure you get all of it out. If you want, if there's some in there, shake it.
Yeah. So it's like a hot air balloon,
Yeah, it's like a hot air balloon.
right?
Yeah.
So Kaden, this is our 4th one we've done. So what, we did the water fountain,
Mhm.
we did the one with the fire,
Yeah.
with the water balloon and the
It's a
fire.
candle.
Yep, with the candle. We did the tacks, and then we did the one with the baking soda and vinegar that make a hot air balloon. Which one so far now is your favorite? Which one? This one?
Yeah.
The one with the vinegar
Yeah.
and the baking soda? Yeah,
Which
that
one's your favorite?
that one's pretty cool.
I mean, that candle one's still.
I
pretty
think
cool.
I'm still on the candle.
Yeah, me too. I changed
Yeah.
my mind. I think I'm still on the candle.
Yeah.
That candle one was pretty cool. That
That
keep
one was
burning.
pretty cool. Yeah.
Burning.
Look at that. That's so cool. And look at it staying blown up too, even after the reaction is slowing down.
But look, it can be like a bouncy ball.
I can, yeah. All right, what do you say we get ready for our 5th one?
We're gonna get ready for our 5th one.
All right, let's go.
This is a 5th science experiment one. It's the last one. So
Okay, what do we have? What do we need for this one?
we need a water balloon. There's water in it. We need like a cup,
A plastic
a
container.
plastic container. We need a lighter, and we need a piece of paper folded.
Folded piece of paper. Now you need adult supervision on this one so they can help you with the fire. And what are we gonna do, Kaden?
So we're gonna light that piece of paper on fire, and we're gonna put the water balloon on the side, and we're gonna see what will happen.
So I need to light this.
Yeah.
I need to put it into the container, and then you're gonna put the water balloon on top.
and we're gonna see what will happen.
We're gonna see what'll happen. Okay. What do you think's gonna happen? Do you think-
I think it's gonna suck the water balloon.
Oh, dude. Oh gosh, that would be creepy. All right, give it a try.
Okay.
See what happens. It's shaking. The water. Whoa! That was so cool. That was awesome, dude. It sucked the balloon right down into it. Okay, now which one was your favorite?
this one.
I think this one
And
was my favorite too.
Plus, it was cool. Like the water balloon got smaller. And it was squeezing into the cap.
Yep. That
That's
was
cool.
really cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I had fun.
Me too.
Okay. So I think we're all done for today, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and keep it
Keep it
real.
real.